Hello, welcome to the Blue Quill feature highlights for version 6.4. In this video, I will discuss the following features: traditional calendar view, extra credit, and grading configurations. Let's get started. In addition to the normal homepage that students and instructors see, there is now the option to view a more traditional calendar. Click on Calendar to see this new view, and click on Courses to toggle back to the previous view. There is also the option to make one of these views the default view by clicking on the check mark. Now, every time you log in, the default view chosen will display first. This new calendar view has some key features. Items listed on the calendar are learning objects with a due date, and they display on the day of the defined due date. On the left, there is a filter that lists my current courses. If I click on one of those, I will be shown the objects due for that course. I can select many filters or clear the filters to show all the courses at once. I can go to future months or previous months using these arrows. I can also click Today to quickly get back to today. There is a month view and a week view. I can also export this calendar and subscribe to it with other calendar applications or devices. When I click Export, I get the URL for the calendar. This URL can be copied by clicking the Copy button and can be pasted into calendar apps such as Outlook or Google Calendar. I can download the .ics file by opening the URL in a new tab in my browser. Check your calendar application's help documentation for how to subscribe to outside calendars. Most smartphones will walk through this process automatically if you click on the .ics link on your phone. This can be done easily by emailing the copied URL to yourself and clicking that link in your email from your smartphone. Extra credit can now be added to a course. In order for extra credit to be available in the course, it has to be designed into the course, meaning you have to put an object in your course that is marked as extra credit for you to be able to give extra credit to students in your course. To put extra credit in your course, you need to add an object with points and mark it as extra credit by checking the extra credit checkbox. This will add the points to the numerator of the course, but not the denominator. Students can earn the extra credit points, but it does not add to the total possible points in the course. Extra credit objects will have a plus before the points in the instructor view, designer view, and student view of the course. The object will also have a green shade over the points. This object will be added to the grade grid to be scored, just like any other assignment. To reiterate, extra credit will only be available in a course where extra credit is added in the design of a course. For institutions that allow custom grading scales per course, we now have a new tool for grading scale editing. If this feature is available on your instance, you will see grade scale on the top next to course in design mode of the course. To edit your grading scale, click the grade scale button and the editor will appear. Here you can define how many possible grades you have and the maximum percentage points that make up that grade. I can add and subtract columns as needed by using the plus and minus buttons. I will not be allowed to add a restricted symbol. If I do, that symbol will be rejected and it shows me which symbols are restricted in a bigger font. When I complete my grading scale, it will save with the course. Students will see their grading scale in the student gradebook. The symbols that were chosen for specific percentage ranges will also show to the student on their course page and in their gradebook. Those were some of the highlights from Release 6.4. Thanks for watching.